Hi, this is Miss Cindy. Hope everybody's doing okay. Today I am going to do a foil pour, something I've never done before. And I'm also using different supplies I've never used before. This is pre-mixed pouring paint. I usually mix my acrylic paint with Floetrol. And I was speaking, talking to a girlfriend of mine, and I was explaining how expensive the Floetrol is. So as a gift, she got me some paint that already had the pouring mix in it. So I really appreciated that. So I'm going to try it. These are not colors I normally would use. Uh, but since it's a kit, I'm just going to use all of those colors. So all I need is the mixed paint. Something different I'm going to do is I have a plain white paint here. I'm going to use that as my base for a pour. When I do a pour, I usually mix whatever color it is with Floetrol so that it runs. I'm not looking for it to do too much running, and you'll see why. So I'm just going to paint my base with a white acrylic paint. These colors are really bright. I may throw a little black in there. And then I need a piece of aluminum foil. So always I tape the back. And the only reason why I tape the back of anything that I do is because if I want to resin it, it's ready to go. I've already made that mistake where something I wanted to resin, it came out good, I resined it, and then I got all the drips on the bottom, and I wasn't throwing away the painting, and it was a bear to try to get that resin off. So I always tape the back of my uh, canvas. Anyway, so I guess I'm ready to go. I'm trying to see, what should I do first? Um, I'm going to, I'm going to do this first. So all you do is crumble up your aluminum foil. I assume that's what you're supposed to do. Okay. Not too tight, because remember, aluminum foil will tear if you pull it too tight. So I'm going to try to do this carefully so it doesn't rip. Okay, that's not too bad. Now I'm doing this on a small canvas. I don't know what you would do on a canvas that's bigger than the wider than the aluminum foil. But if this comes out, trust me, Miss Cindy will find a way to do it on a bigger canvas. Okay, so now it's all, I laid it back out again. Okay, guys, we're just seeing if this works. So, all right, so I want to make sure this will fit. And I'm going to take a magic marker on aluminum foil, and I'm just going to mark the corners. So when I do lay it down, I make sure it covers the whole canvas. Okay. I'm also not going to worry about the sides. I will probably paint the sides a solid color. But anyway, I've got my 4 marks there, so when I lay it down, I know that it will cover the whole top of the canvas. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put a little tape on here to keep this down. And I'm going to try to do this without gloves. I don't know. I'm funny. Resin, I always use gloves, but when it comes to paint that just washes off, I usually don't use gloves. Okay, so let me paint this first. I need a paintbrush. again, this is not considered a base. I'm just putting something on the surface of the canvas. Straight acrylic paint does not help it run any. And like I said, I've already have a plan that if it does come out, I will probably just paint the outside a different color because I really don't expect it to run down the sides. I don't know. I haven't used this yet, so. Okay, so I got a little paint there, base, just acrylic paint, no Floetrol. And I never have napkins when I need it. Okay, so all right, all I'm gonna do is put that where in between the markers. Make sure that I cover everything. Yep, okay. So now let's get this paint. All you're doing is putting the acrylic paint on the aluminum foil. There's no rhyme or reason of where you put it. It's just like a Mod Podge of paint. We'll see. But I do want to make sure I cover, at least get all of the paint within those lines. This is a brick. This is a spice. See, first time out, I couldn't use my paints. I'd be nervous I'm wasting paint. This is a mauve. And this is a peach. Okay. I have to have black. I don't have to have a lot of black, but I want a little bit of black in this. Oh, get it open. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to take my canvas, turn it upside down, try to find those marks. Okay, they're within those marks that I put on the canvas. And I'm just going to press down. And then I'm rubbing the inside also because with that aluminum foil, I don't know if it's going to cover, if the paint's going to cover every little piece of the aluminum foil. But we shall see. Yeah, I want it to, I don't know if you can see it, but I do want it to run out the sides so that I know it went all the way to the end of the canvas. Okay. And it's running out all of the sides. All right, guys. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Just in case I got any air bubbles, I'm just torching it real quick. Doesn't look like a lot, but there are some popping. Oh man. Oh no, we got to do a big one like this. Let me see if you can see it. And those colors are nice together. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry, clean up a little bit, and let's see if it's resin worthy. Well, this one is finished. I went ahead and I just painted the outside black. This is gorgeous for first time out using the aluminum foil. I liked it so much that I did it again. So I have a set here. This was real easy to do. I intend on doing this again on a bigger frame and maybe different colors. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this design. Anyway, this was just a short clip using that aluminum foil. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.